Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Ford Pro backup power for home EV systems, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Ford Pro vehicle is fully charged and parked in a safe location close to your home. Locate the Ford Pro Power onboard feature in your vehicle settings. Access the settings menu on your vehicle's infotainment system. Select the Power tab within the settings. Activate the Pro Power onboard feature. Make sure to configure the output settings according to your home EV system requirements. Connect your home EV system to the power output port of your Ford Pro vehicle using the appropriate adapter. Double-check the compatibility of the adapter with both the vehicle and the EV system to avoid any damage. Consult your home EV system manual for specific instructions on its power input requirements. Once connected, return to your vehicle's settings to monitor power distribution. Adjust the power output if necessary to align with your home EV system's needs. Keep an eye on the vehicle's battery level while the Pro Power is active. It's advisable to manage your home energy consumption to ensure efficient usage of the vehicle's battery. After setting everything up, initiate charging of your home EV system by following the prompts on the EV charger. Monitor the charging status either on your vehicle's display or via the home EV system interface. Once charging is complete, disconnect the EV system from the Ford Pro vehicle. Disengage the Pro Power onboard feature in your vehicle's settings to conserve battery life. Your home EV system should now be successfully charged using your Ford Pro vehicle's backup power feature. Regularly check for software updates in your vehicle to ensure optimal functionality of the Pro Power feature. If any issues arise, consult the vehicle's user manual or contact Ford customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.